sorry. Put your hand goes here.
This has drugs in it.
No, it does not.
No,
Oh, better smell
does it look like drugs? What is that?
it. It's soap, you idiot.
That's what you want.
Oh, I like to eat your hair.
Oh, you broke all pretty ears.
Oh.
This doesn't even look like soap. It looks like poop.
This is a spoon
I
I melted.
That's on my hands. That's why the soap that's inside of it.
Just made it like really soft.
Oh, you just like burned.
That's not good.
There's plastic on it now.
Uh-oh, turn it off, turn it off.
Everything's gonna catch on fire.